celebrate the Honor 605G First Day Sale. Kaya naman, Honor Grab, make some noise for the one and the only James Reid!
Let's go! Sandali oras ko sa langit. Kung nagkakabatin, hey! Kung nagkakabulit,
thank you so much to Honor 600 for making this happen, for having us here today. Na-traffic ba kayo? Hindi? Oh. Okay lang, magkasama tayo ngayon. I'm so happy to see all of you here. Thank you so much. Hello.
Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give it up for the James Reid! Wow. So happy to have you here on stage. A lot of people have been waiting for you and for this moment. Now, what can you say to all the people who have lined up here as early as 9 a.m. just to see you?
Check it out. I just want to say thank you so much. I'm happy to see you all. And I'm excited to spend today with you. And I love you guys. Thank you so much.
Sorry, because I'm a huge fan. I love your song, Hello. I usually play it whenever I drive. So just happy to
Sige,
see you.
sample nga.
Hello. So,
Don't let go.
going from a 0 to 100.
Cause we were just your ex-lover, hello. Can't wait to say hello. Hearts get to the
I love that song. Thank you, thank you. Now, of course, now that we have you here on stage, I'm so sorry, I feel so giddy. You're going to be taking photos with everybody here. Of course, just to include them in this memory. So you'll be taking photo here first on stage while you're standing in front of the Honor 600 5G. Behind, rather, the logo. Make some noise for James Reid! Woo! And of course, a lot of fan service for today. Maraming salamat. Nag-enjoy ba ang SM Celebration? I love that energy. Kamusta yung mga nasa taas? Okay ba kayo dyan? You guys are enjoying, yes? Of course, we're going to be taking a few photos with James Reid here with the crowd. What a fan service it is. So lucky, the fans that we have here. Thank you very much for the support for all the artists. Again, this is the first day sale of Honor 600 5G. And if you guys have the time to post on for soft minutes, please do so. Post it on your feeds, on your stories, through the, of course, X, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok you guys have. And use our official hashtags you guys have been seeing